Hey everybody, it's me Azalea and you're watching my YouTube channel WayCrunchy. Today we are on episode 13 of this old shack. Today I'm starting upstairs in the upstairs bedroom and we're gonna take a look in this closet. Before we get started here on this closet, I want to remind you guys that I've got a P.O. box if you would like to send us mail, packages, anything you would like us to show on the channel, hit us up in that P.O. box. So it's got crazy old wood paneling all over there, and that's overwhelming to think about taking a whole room of wood paneling down. But they did not put the wood paneling in this closet. This is wallpaper. Lord, I love the look of old wallpaper, but there's a lot that's peeling away, peeling down, and I think that this closet, I love to find a little small area that I can go in and like do the whole thing and be done with it. Because if you break things off into chewable chunks, you can get something done. But like trying to do the whole dang house, it's like the mouth is too full of food. You can't chew, you're gonna choke on it. So in here, this is a little small area. Now I've been in and cleaned it in past episodes and whatnot, and I love this closet. Everything in this closet is good to go. It just needs like a painting, a pulling away of wallpaper, possibly some plaster repair, which I will dip my toe in because I'm inexperienced. But a closet would be a really great place to learn on. It's not that visible. It's small. Okay, so let me see it might go real easy in here. I don't know. Call me crazy, but the peeling away of this wallpaper to this old chippy plaster, I feel like I'm in like a French chateau. Oh, I'm in a cheap little rental. Just wait, I'll show you my French chateau. Like the finish, the patina, everything over here. I love it. Anyway, anything that's stuck onto the wall, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna run like some spackle over some corners, and then I'm gonna paint the whole thing. Alright, another day. We're going to start this morning with a trip to Lowe's.
Holy. So, what type of pumpkin do you got there?
Look at this beautiful pumpkin. It's so lumpy. We got a lumpy pumpkin here. Oh, here's a little one with bumps.
Kind of looks like it has a fungus growing on it.
pumpkins really ring my bell. They want $10 for this little lumpy pumpkin.
And look, it's already starting to mold.
Alright, y'all. We done been to Lowe's. We're back at the Fixer Upper. It's time to see what we can do in this closet here. I've been looking around on the internet. I got this for like $8. It's for fixing. I got this for like $1. I'm gonna look in these corners. This is an experiment. Yeah, so here we go. My favorite color. I say it's looking pretty darn good in there. Let's just see how that does. This is an experiment. I'm gonna let that dry. All right, you guys, so I got a lot of work done yesterday afternoon, evening, and I did not film because the light is not good in the evening. We don't have electricity yet in this house, so I just did that work. I did some work in the bathroom, cleaning. That's really coming along, and did some painting and working on the spackle and some other repairs in that upstairs bedroom. So I did that last night when I wasn't filming, and I'm back here this morning just so excited to come to work every day and work on this house. I have gathered up paint from different resources on clearance prices, $5, $7, $9 a gallon. And I am doing a special video available on Patreon talking about paint. How I make it last longer, how I make it spread further, where I find the deals, what I will and will not compromise on. And that is an example of the type of extra videos that you get on the Patreon account. You get benefits over on Patreon, which is extra videos that no one else but patrons get to see. So y'all check that out if you want to see that paint video. I've also got all of my from the past, divorce diaries, mental health vlogs, all that jazz. All right, guys, I started on some ceiling patching and repair up here. This is where some water damage was. This is what you use your kills for. And then I'm using the spackle to repair a little piece of the ceiling that had kind of rotted away. again. Run another coat of the Kills around there to make sure we're blocking through water stain. Now this here is the big project I've been undertaking recently. Dipping my toe in plaster repair, it's a lot. Like, a lot of time, a lot of effort. It's not especially hard, but it is time consuming. I don't love it. I kind of love it, but I also don't love it. Anyway, over here, I've been peeling away the old wallpaper, patching up the plaster. It goes on pink, it dries white. That way you know you're ready for your next layer of patch or your next layer of paint. All right, y'all, very fancy. I've got my chair to stand on to get in these upper corners. Almost done with this patch job. When John and I decided to splurge on the multi-pack of power tools, it also came with this flashlight, and this is a detachable battery that we can recharge, and it works on all of our power tools and our weed whacker and this flashlight. All right, so I'm done with my patch job in here. That's gonna need to dry before I paint over everything. Now I was gonna paint these wood shelves, but they're actually so nice and I love the wood so much that I'm just gonna commit myself to like deep cleaning them and keeping the wood. A little move and give to these shelves. It's hard to get them all the way out because of the weird, it's really tight fit with the wall in here, which is good. It's a good tight fit for these shelves.